Okay, this morning I'm going to make corn fritters. This is a low-calorie version. Since I'm on Weight Watchers, I've lost 80 pounds and I don't want to blow it by having some fattening breakfast. uh, so what I'm going to do is separate the eggs. I need to have the yolks in one bowl and the whites in another. I think I did it backwards. Okay, whites are here. Figures. And yolks are going to be in the other bowl. I'm only doing two. This is just for me. And I always believe in having a very substantial breakfast. Gets me through at least till noon. I can get a lot done without being hungry at 10 o'clock or something like that. So I got the whites over there mostly. Let's see if I got more in there. Yeah. The yolks in the other bowl. And I need to beat the whites until they're fluffy. They want to be stiff but not glossy. Now they're just a little bit foamy. This is a lot of work. I'm going to say it's stiff enough for me. That's pretty good. Alright, I'll let that go. Good enough for the purpose. Okay, now I want to mix in the eggs and peppers and green onion, and I'm saving a little of the green onion for afterwards to put on top. And I put in here chopped Cubanelle pepper with some seeds because I like everything spicy, and about a half of one that I got from Nancy at Weight Watchers, and then about a half, well actually 3 small slices of jalapeno pepper from my garden, and then a really small chili pepper from my garden, and the green onion. So I'm going to put that in here. with the yolks. Set this aside. And I want some salt, and pepper, and more salt, and then 2 teaspoons of flour. One, and 2. I hope that's not too much flour. And I'm going to mix this up. I'm going to make sure I'm not missing an ingredient. Okay, next I'm going to add the corn that I drained earlier. It's just a can of corn. You could get it off your corn cobs if you want. I didn't grow any this year because I was out of town most of the summer. Or at least the growing season part of the summer. Mix the corn in. And now we're going to fold it into the egg whites. I'm just going to put it on the side of the bowl because the egg white bowl is bigger. Get my scraper. Get the rest of these goodies out of the bowl. I want to be without the egg yolk. And then fold this in. I'm not really sure why we had to do that with the egg whites, but we'll find out. Okay, and I'm going to heat up the pan. Put in a teaspoon of olive oil. I tell you to spray the pan, but I never do because when you spray really good pans, you ruin them. So move the camera over. Also got some hummingbird sugar water going over here. This is ready. Just make sure all the sugar is stirred in. I'm going to move this over to the counter just so we don't get any flavors in the hummingbird water. There's our pan. I'm going to put some fritters in. I think I need a spoon. tomatoes. And I'm going to use this hot sauce on top. This is my favorite. This is hot picante. This is thin. It's not chunky like salsa. I use this in a lot of cooking, but instead of having whatever you would put on corn fritters, I'm going to use that. I also have my own hot sauce I made I could use. This is Scorpion Trinidad Moruga I made last summer, fall actually. And this is ghost pepper sauce, Ucholakia, which I also made last year. Get the meat out. I can turn that one over. Kind of sticking on the side, that one. Probably waited a little longer. Well, two of them turned easily. The other two didn't, but so what? They'll still taste good. And my heat's probably too high. Never made these before. I've thought about it, but I just never did. I'm going to try one, see if they're cooked enough. Looks pretty good. Tastes good. Nice and crunchy. Nice. So I'm going to plate those up and get some more on the pan. Yeah, I'll probably have a snack for later. We'll see how it goes when I'm eating. Put a little salsa on here. Picante sauce, sorry. Very nice breakfast.